Yeah. Yo, check the phone, see your name, and I pause for a second. A funny meme that you sent, man, I guess that's a lesson. In the way that time flies, we were just young dreamers. Now I'm looking at the screen, thinking about you, believer. You always said, go big, never follow the crowd. Your laugh was so loud, you stood out from the cloud. We talked about the future, the places we go. Didn't think the path would one day split up, you know. From high school lunches to the late night drives, you're the reason I know that I'm alive. It's been a long day, thinking of my friend. I've got so many stories, from the start to the end, and I hold them close, every single one, until the day comes when our paths are rerun. Yeah, I hold them close under the sun, 'cause the good times with you, they're never truly gone. Yeah, I still kick it with your family, they're good, they're all rain. I see you and your sister smile whenever it's bright. Remember that old car, the one with no AC? We roll the windows down, just feeling free. You picked the music, I complained till it grew on me. Man, those little arguments, now they're just memory. Had to switch up my view, had to see the bigger frame. Life's a different game, nothing stays the same. But the love that we built, that's a permanent thing. Like the chorus of a song that a choir would sing. Now I see you in the sunshine, I see you in the rain. Took the pain and the loss, now the love will remain. It's been a long day, thinking of my friend. I've got so many stories, from the start to the end, and I hold them close, every single one, until the day comes when our paths are rerun. Yeah, I hold them close under the sun, 'cause the good times with you, they're never truly gone. And I know you're in a better place now, looking down with a smile on your face now. All the memories, I won't let them fade. They're the best kind of plans that we ever made. Thinking of my friend, to the very end, to the end. Yeah, from the bottom to the top, homie, we got it from here.